Now you have to get this one on top.
These coon asses are out of their element. Boy, that snowman could look like he had diarrhea.
Well, I don't think they have to.
I'm big strong, I gotta go. Jake, you built that? You.
Aw.
I know.
Yo, put the bigger one on top.
Bigger ones on top?
Yeah.
You can shave it down. You gotta take all that mud off.
Hey, get that. There we go. I know. It's a little far back.
It needs to go up
There we go.
Like I said, we okay right now.
Now we just gotta try it. Look, aren't we gonna use that as the head?
No, yeah. Oh, well, yeah. What part do we need to flatten?
Oh. I think his head got chopped.
Oh, yeah, he looks like his head.
Oh.
Hey, that was much quicker than I thought it would be, too.
I ain't seen a snowman.
Brandon, you got a toothpick in there?
It ain't working.
I bet if y'all threw a snowball up there, it might work. Get a kind of heavy snowball and throw it toward the middle of the roof.
We did the heavy lifting. That snowman must weigh about 200 pounds.
I'm here to get my hair cut.
Brandon's in there?
I saw him.
I think he said tomorrow.
I'm still trying to attach that. Crazy, huh?
Don't hit it, just roll it.
Yeah, it rolls up like that.
It's the best one I saw so far. Warm them clippers up. I need to do.
Man, I think I like being off of work. I might not come back. He's putting hair on the snowman.
Hey,
Hey, that's probably some of your hair in there.
I don't have that much hair.
Man, that hair ain't gonna fit. That ain't gonna look good. Get them off and stick like this. Watch this.
You still got a little bit of an arm, huh, Billy, huh?
Oh, you better watch, you don't hit him. You gotta watch out, Gabe. Better keep them eyes open.
Knuckle curve.
Better keep them eyes open.
That was close.
That was mighty close, buddy.
You ain't reaching from that. Use the bucket.
Don't throw it at me and make my arm
Oh, yeah. Jake, you're about to get smoked.
Her pom-pom and her megaphone and come take a picture of it so she can submit it for her project as a rebel.
really close.
Oh.
Billy, you want to do that? Or somebody get her pom-poms and her megaphone?
Yeah, I can.
He's cute. Maybe in that bag.
Damn.
Why am I going?
That was a double.
Oh, yeah, yeah. We just need two. Oh, no, we just need one now.
Oh! What the hell?
The only snowman on Rogaine.
A little bit of reserve history right there.
Cool, that looked like somebody that used to sing in the choir at church back in the 90s.
Oh!
I did the other side.
Brandon, I dare you to post this snowman and put thanks for everybody that got their hair cut in the last week. He's giving the snowman some things.
That's hilarious. Yes, this is perfect. You ready? Just act like you're, I guess, working. Okay, just get to work. That's awesome.
Here comes some napkins, Rachel.
Thank you.
Cute. We did a cute little snowman.
Take one of me and Brandon together. Brandon, let me get it.